Hi guys, welcome back to the Lewis and Rose YouTube channel. Today we're going to be touring our project in Coppell. We had a great client here. They really allowed us to bring their own style and amplify it a little bit to create some beautiful open spaces in their home. Today we're going to view their office space and also their front room area turned into a coffee bar. Let's check it out.
I'm Brett Seidel, the owner and principal designer of Lewis and Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks to fun room reveals to informative interviews and, of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome.
First, we have their front room, which is also their office area. He does work from home, so it was important that we created a really great space for him where he could focus, but also that served as kind of that entry foyer area when you come into the home, because we do have an open floor plan here. So as you'll see on our first wall, this is what kind of serves as our foyer and our first focal point. We really wanted to bring some layers of lighting in here with the implementation of these table lamps. These are really beautiful. They have a nice alabaster base on them. And of course, they bring some height as well because we have beautiful ceilings in here. And we do have this really beautiful mirror as the first focal point and a nice long console that takes up a majority of this wall. So we wanted to make sure we played with scale in here and also had kind of this landing zone for when you first come in the front door. Then as we continue through the space, we have his main office area. So how we kind of create this focal zone and this grounding area for his office is by bringing in an area rug right here to switch it up from the foyer that we kind of saw just there. And we then have the office space. So we of course have his beautiful textured desk here. The nice thing about this is that the front is closed, so it'll hide any cords that need to come down through there and also legs when you're sitting here at the desk. And it just creates a beautiful texture in the space without taking too much attention either. So it just fits the space really well and helps reflect light off the beautiful texture on the front. And then we also have these swivel chairs here. We love swivels because they do 360 swivels, so even if you're standing on the other side of the room, someone can use this. It's very conversational and allows for multiple functions in the space too. Additional seating here on the side with our beautiful bench. We always utilize performance fabrics in our seating, our bench areas, just to make sure that there's longevity in all of the pieces that we're recommending for the client. And then of course, we have a beautiful piece of textured art just to help ground this space and finish it off really nicely. As you walk into the front sitting room here, what you'll notice is that we of course have a central fixture. So this was previously a dining room. Something that we're seeing with a lot of our clients now is there's not that need for the formal dining room. So we were like, hey, what's something that you don't have in your current kitchen, you don't have in your current home? And the big need was a coffee bar and sitting area. So because this is right off of the front door, we wanted to have that nice, open, welcoming kind of feel, and then hunker down a lot of our function on this corner that you don't see necessarily when you walk right into the space. So we have a nice loungy setup here, some really wide, deep swivel chairs, again in high performance fabric, just because this is a main function zone. This allows a little reading nook area, or for our client, where she's gonna sit and have her coffee in the morning. And then moving over, we designed this beautiful built-in that functions as a coffee bar for them. Something that we wanted out of this was we didn't necessarily want a built-in that felt really heavy and overly kitchen-like. So you'll see that detail specifically on the base here, where we implemented a bun leg just to give it more of that furniture feel, so that it didn't necessarily feel like an extended kitchen and it felt like it had its own personality over here. Tons of storage below here where we did implement these slide out cabinets just for ease of access for any coffee supplies, mugs, all of the things. After that, you just get a really nice, highly functional area. And because it's not overly themed and it does look like a piece of furniture, this will transcend time and functions that they need. So now that you've seen these front two spaces, you can really see that our goal in this was making sense of the open layout that we have while maintaining a few different functions in each space. So we of course get the office function, kind of that front foyer function, a nice sitting conversational area, and a coffee bar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What did you love from today's video? What would you want to see in one of your front rooms? We'd love to hear from you guys, and we'll see you next time.